In the two first video, we have created and launched a game logic in uGASP, and we have created a basic Android client that is connecting to uGASP and creating an instance of this game logic. So as we saw, when I click on the connect button, an instance is created and started by the platform, and when I click on the quit button, the client quits the instance, and then the application instance is ended by the platform. Now we will tell you how to make the client remotely invoke a method on the game logic, and how to make the game logic respond by invoking a method on the client side. So we are going to add an edit text to our activity in order to send the text of this edit text to the game logic. So I'm opening Eclipse another time, and I have to update my layout, adding an edit text and a button to send the message of this edit text. So in my activity, I need to add the matching attributes for this edit text and for this button, and import edit text class, and then to retrieve the edit text from the layout and to initialize the send button. So this method will also retrieve the button from the layout, and then add an on-click listener, not button connect, sorry, button send, and add an on-click listener which says that I retrieve the message from the edit text and I send it to the uGASP game logic. So to do that, I retrieve the data transmission manager, then the RMIA manager, and I call the remote method a synchronous invocation, passing the ID of the game logic. So I need to import RMIA client manager class, and I call the send message to platform method with the message. Then I clear the edit text. So once it's done, I can run my client as an Android application. So you will see the activity will be updated with our edit text and our new button. And now I need to update my game logic. To do that, I need to insert the send message to platform method on the game logic side. And where on the game logic side? On this RMIA game logic manager imp method. So only thing I do is to implement this method, and this method will log the message received from the client. Now I need to stop my server and to compile and generate my game logic bundle, typing maven install. In the first video I told you to copy and to paste the bundle generated in the jar folder of Maven, but in fact it is automatically done if you stay on the same folder than me. So you just need to launch uGASP another time, and it will be launched with the last version of our game logic. Now, okay, it's launched. Now I have to connect and to create an application instance, and if I send message hello, you can see that the platform received this message. So I quit the instance, I stop the server, and now I will ask the game logic to respond to the client. So I had a method on the game logic side, send message to client, and I call this message with the suitable recipient, which is in my case the sender of the original method. So sender actual session ID. I have to compile another time my game logic. Okay, it's done, and now I can launch my platform another time. So now I need to update my client implementing the method send message to client. So this method should be located in a subclass of the RMI client manager class. So I need to create this class, new class. Let's call it my RMI client manager, which is a subclass of RMI client manager. Okay, finish. And I just add the method send message to clients, in which I ask to log the message received from the client, from the game logic, sorry. And the last thing I have to do is to say to GASP client that my subclass of RMI client manager is my RMI client manager. This way, when he will receive a message from game logic, he will know that it's in this class that the method should be invoked. So I can run my Android application. Okay, I'll show you the log. Okay, and now if I connect, okay, I receive start event. I will remove the log once, clear the log, sorry. Okay, and when I press on hello and I send, message is received from the platform, and platform send message to the client.